In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly share your Canva designs to Instagram. Whether you're promoting your brand, sharing personal creativity, or simply getting your work out there, this tutorial will be invaluable. Let's dive right in. First, begin by opening Canva, your go-to platform for all things design related. Once you're in, you'll see all of your existing projects, or you can start a new one. Choose the design you'd like to share. It could be anything from a marketing poster to an infographic or perhaps a creative post for your feed. Spend a moment making sure everything looks exactly how you want it. It's always a good idea to double-check your layout, spelling, and colors before sharing it with the world. Now focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Share button. This is your gateway to the world of social media and other sharing options directly from Canva. Go ahead and click on Share. A drop-down menu or a new panel will appear, showcasing various options for distributing your content. Among these options is Instagram. Click on it to proceed. This selection takes you one step closer to getting your content onto one of the most popular social media platforms out there. You'll then see a choice. You can either post your design immediately if you're ready for the world to see it right now, or opt to schedule it for a later time. Scheduling can be a fantastic tool if you want to ensure your post goes live during peak engagement times or aligns with your content calendar strategy. Once you've made your decision on when to post, click Continue. At this stage, you might be prompted to connect your Instagram account if you haven't done so already. There will be a Connect button available for this purpose. By linking your Instagram account, you streamline the process, allowing Canva to post directly without you having to switch between apps or devices. It's a time-saving feature that's particularly useful for those of us managing multiple social media accounts or simply looking to make the process as smooth as possible. And there you have it, a straightforward yet comprehensive way to bridge your creativity from Canva to Instagram. With just a few clicks, you're all set to share your designs with your followers. Remember, each post is an opportunity to connect, inspire, and engage with your audience, so make sure every design counts. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital presence.